Explainer videos are one of the most powerful tools to showcase your product or service. But which style is right for you? Let's break down the top 8 types of explainer videos so you can match the perfect one to your corporate needs. First up, 2D animation, the most popular and flexible. It's cost-effective, great for clarifying complex concepts with the optimum use of details. It's perfect for showing relatable interactions between your audience and your product. Think educational content, product explainers, or animated characters telling your story. Next, motion graphics. At first glance, motion graphics videos may resemble 2D animation, but it's less about characters and more about facts, data, and ideas, with the voiceover leading the way. Ideal for tech demos, app showcases, or presenting stats in a visually appealing way. Number 3, whiteboard animation, simple hand-drawn visuals that develop right before your eyes. It's perfect for explaining processes without overwhelming viewers with too much detail, and for toning down heavy or complex topics such as blood and gore. 4, 3D animation. If you're all about the detail, go for 3D animation, highly realistic and immersive. They utilize details to create an image with height, width, and depth. Best for projects that demand spot-on accuracy, like medical visuals or product engineering, but it takes more time and budget to produce. If you can afford the weight as well as the price tag, the result will be stunning. 5, live action. Real people, real locations, real stories, minimal animation and motion graphics. It's authentic, but also one of the pricier options, because it requires decorations and actors, which few companies possess in-house. Live action is great for customer testimonials, showcasing expertise, or collaborating with influencers. 6, Screencast. A budget-friendly way to show exactly what's on your screen and does not require many resources, as anyone can shoot one without professional help. It's ideal for software tutorials, app demos, or startup tech companies, but may be harder to use in other fields. 7, Kinetic Typography. Animated text that grabs attention and makes words part of the storytelling. Since this style is all about moving typography, font selection and animation play a crucial part. Make sure you pick the messages effectively for the words to work their magic. Use it for bold, creative campaigns that want to stand out. And finally, live streams. It's live action but unedited and in real time. Doing live streams needs expert-level knowledge and a knack for improvisation. It's great for building authenticity, engaging audiences directly, and going viral with expert-led Q&S or product reveals. If your company has a quick-witted expert to showcase, live streaming will be the easiest way to get some reputation. But be careful, broadcasting raw footage can be scary when you can't edit out the mistakes that might affect your brand. Whichever style you choose, the goal is the same: to clearly explain your product or service and connect with your audience. Need help picking the perfect one? Contact us for a free consultation and let's bring your vision to life.